Greetings to all of you. My name is Shiv Duji. I am pursuing a mechanical engineering at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I am here to explain my project which based on kinematics of machine. Now, what is the kinematics of machine? It is a branch of theory of machine which relates study of relative motion of machine. Also it involves in the study of positions like velocity, acceleration, and design of gear, cam and follower, etc. Now, explain to my project, which is based on 4-bar chain mechanism. Now, what is the 4-bar chain mechanism? 4-bar chain mechanism is consists of 4 turning pairs and 1 higher pairs, and by fixing the one link, we get different mechanism, which is known as inversion of 4-bar chain mechanism, which is three types of inversions are available in market. One is crank and lever mechanism, second is double rocker mechanism, and third is double crank mechanism, which is known as the coupling rod of locomotive, and that is my project of com. Now, introduction of coupling rod of locomotive. Coupling rod is also known as side rods, which connects the driving wheels of locomotive and transfer power to them simultaneously. The main or connecting rod seen here on the outside transfers the back and forth motion of the engine pistons into circular motion if necessary to turning the wheels. Now I am going to explain the working of my project. The mechanism of coupling rod of locomotive is also known as double crank mechanism, which consists 4 links. In this mechanism, the link AD and BC having equal length act as crank and are connected to respective wheels. The link CD acts as a collecting rod, and link AB is a fixed in order to maintain the constant center to center distance between them. The mechanism meant for transmitting rotary motion from one wheel to another wheel. Now I am going to explain the construction of my project. So I took a wooden plywood as a base. Then I connected 3 circular cranks, and then I connected another plywood strip at eccentric distance of center of crank for the reciprocation of the coupling rod. Now, application of connecting rod of locomotive, which is known as coupling rod of locomotive. First is the power transmission. The connecting rod serves as the link between reciprocating motion of the piston within the cylinders and the rotational motion of the driving wheels. As the pistons move back and forth due to expansion and contraction of steam within the cylinders, the connecting rod transfer this motion to crank pins on the driving wheels. By converting the linear motion of the pistons into rotary motion, the connecting rod allows the locomotive to harness the power generated by a steam engine to propel it forward. Now I am explain the distribution of forces in coupling rod of locomotive. The coupling rod of also helps to distribute the force generated by the pistons and driving wheels throughout the locomotive chassis. By transmitting power evenly, all driving wheels coupling rods helps to distribute the weight of the locomotive more evenly, reducing the wear and tear on individual component and ensuring the stable performance of the wheel.